Just unboxed your Canon imageCLASS printer and staring it at the display wondering what to do next? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Setting it up might seem a little overwhelming at first with all the menus and options, but I'll make it easier for you. And I'm going to use Canon Color imageCLASS MF743 CDW printer for this video. So if you have same or similar printer, you can follow me along. If you run into any issues along the way, just call the numbers on your screen for expert support. Now, let's get your printer up and running. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Head over to your printer's display panel. You'll see a prompt asking you to select your language. Choose your language and tap Yes to confirm your selection. The next screen will ask you to select your country. Just scroll through and pick yours. Select your time zone. Scroll through the list and tap on the one you're in. On the next screen, select your date and time correctly. Then tap Apply to save these settings. Prompt about Remote UI will appear asking how you want to use the interface. For this setup, tap No. It will now ask if you want to print a color correction page. Tap Yes to proceed. The printer will ask you to load the paper. Tap OK and then add a few sheets to paper tray. Once you've loaded the paper, head back to the display screen and tap Start. Your printer will print out a test page. Take that sheet and place it on the scanner bed exactly as shown on the screen. Go back to the display and tap Start Scanning to scan the test page. The printer will scan the page and complete the initial setup. Perfect. Now let's get your printer on Wi-Fi. Now that the basic setup is done, it's time to connect your printer to your wireless network. On the wireless confirmation screen that appears, select Yes to proceed with Wi-Fi setup. The printer will now display a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your Wi-Fi network and type in your Wi-Fi password carefully and then tap Apply. Once your printer successfully connects to Wi-Fi, tap Close to finish this part. When the application library appears, choose End to complete the printer side setup. Excellent! Your printer is now on Wi-Fi. Now we need to install the driver on your computer so you can actually print from it. Go to your computer and open the Canon support website in your web browser. Click the Support tab and enter your exact printer model in the search box. Once you're on the printer support page, click on Software and Drivers to find the downloads. Scroll down a little and select your operating system and version from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available drivers. Pick the one you want to download and then click it. When the download finishes, open the file in your browser or in your Downloads folder. You'll see a box icon appear. Click on it to start the installer. When the installer window appears, click Continue to proceed. Read the license agreement and click Continue to Agree button to proceed with the installation. On the next screen, click the Install button to start installing the driver. Once the installation is done, click Close on the Add Printer screen. Another prompt will appear asking about the installer file. Choose Move to Trash to clean the file. Now that the driver is installed, we just need to add your printer to your computer's list of printers. Click on the Apple menu on the top left and select System Settings. On the left side of System Settings, scroll down and click on Printers and Scanners. Click the Add Printer button to start adding your Canon imageCLASS. Your Canon printer should show up automatically in the list of available printers. Click on the printer's name to select it. Click on Add and your wireless setup is officially complete. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.